What, Ashton? Ah, Jasmine.
You're the good puppy. You taking a video?
Yeah.
Good puppy. Ah, Jasmine. Ah. Oh, not me. That's a good girl. The baby loves you, Jasmine.
Oh, there she goes.
She had enough.
What?
Let her sit. She's so good.
I know, she is really good at sitting. We're going to be 6 months old next Wednesday. We're not even 6 months old yet, and we can sit up.
She's going to fold in a second. Maybe not.
She does like to fold forward. Like,
baby.
oh, there she goes. But once she gets herself together, that's what she... Yeah. Once she gets herself together, that's what she's going to kind of transition into a crawl. And once she can get her legs around. Look at that face. Comes Jasmine again, checking out the baby. Kissing the baby, smelling the baby's ears, cleaning her ears, trying to push her over.
What's that puppy doing?
Oh, hi Ashton. Oh, look at that pretty face. Oh, that's Mommy's favorite face right there. That's Mommy's favorite face. Easy, Jazz.
Good girl, Jazzy.
There's Reggie in the background. Could care less about anything.
Boo.
Oh, face plant.
We tie a baby.